In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the most popular SUV and pickup models on the market, ranging from off-road to luxury options. From the Silverado to the Suburban, from the Tahoe to the Ram, and more, we'll explore what each of these behemoths has to offer. If you're ready, let's start our adventure. Chevrolet Silverado. Engine options typically range from a 4, 3 LV6 to a 6, 2 LV8. 0 to 100 kilometers per h acceleration, approximately 6.2 seconds with the 6.2 LV8 engine. Engine and performance. The Silverado stands out with its powerful V8 engine options. It's noted for its high torque and towing capacity. Technology and interior. Offers a comfortable driving experience with its spacious interior and advanced technological features. Chevrolet Suburban. Mostly comes with a 5, 3 LV8 or a 6, 2 LV8, 0 to 100 kilometers per h acceleration, approximately 7.0 seconds with the 6.2 LV8 engine. Capacity and comfort. Ideal for families, known for its spacious interior and high-level passenger comfort. Safety features. Safe choice with high safety ratings and advanced driver assistance systems. Chevrolet Tahoe. Options include a 5, 3 LV8 and a 6, 2 LV8, 0 to 100 kilometers per h acceleration, approximately 7.5 seconds with the 5.3 LV8 engine. Versatility. Performs exceptionally both in urban and off-road conditions. Economy. Offers a relatively more economical V8 engine option. Ram 1500. Variety ranges from a 3, 6 LV6 to a 5, 7 LV8, even offering a 3, 0L diesel V6, 0 to 100 kilometers per h acceleration, approximately 6.5 seconds with the 5.7 LV8 Hemi engine. Innovation. Features the most innovative options in the industry, especially noted for its mild hybrid system option. Comfort. Offers the most comfortable ride in its class, especially with air suspension. Ford F-150. A wide range from a 2, 7L EcoBoost V6 to a 5, 0 LV8 and a 3, 5L EcoBoost V6. 0 to 100 kilometers per h acceleration, approximately 5.7 seconds with the 3, 5L EcoBoost V6 engine. Flexibility. Offers a response to every need with its wide range of engines and configuration options. Innovative technology. Stands out with smart working features and options like Pro Power Onboard. GMC Sierra. Options range from a 2, 7L Turbo to a 6.2 LV8. 0 to 100 kilometers per h acceleration. Approximately 6.0 seconds with the 6.2 LV8 engine. Design and quality. Sets itself apart with its premium interior and striking exterior design. Performance. Ideal for challenging conditions with its powerful engine options and sturdy build. GMC Yukon. Comes with a 5, 3 LV8 and a 6.2 LV8. 0 to 100 kilometers per h acceleration. Approximately 6.8 seconds with the 6.2 LV8 engine. Luxury and power. The Yukon combines luxury and performance with its spacious interior and powerful engine options. Technology. Features the latest technology and safety features. Hummer EV. Fully electric with multiple motor options. Electric Revolution. The most powerful electric off-road vehicle on the market. Offers incredible torque and acceleration. Sustainability and technology. Environmentally friendly with 0 emissions, while also featuring the most advanced technologies. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Ranges from a 3, 6 LV6 to a 6, 4 LV8. 0 to 100 kilometers per h acceleration, approximately 6.5 seconds with the 6.4 LV8 SRT model. Off-road capability. One of the best off-road capabilities in its class. Luxurious interior. Notable for its comfortable and high-quality interior. Toyota Land Cruiser. Mostly comes with a 5, 7LV8, 0 to 100 kilometers per h acceleration, approximately 6.7 seconds. Durability and reliability, known for its legendary durability and reliability. Off-road performance, offers superior off-road performance, a reliable companion in any condition. Nissan Patrol, comes with a 4, 0LV6 and a 5, 6LV8, 0 to 100 kilometers per h acceleration, approximately 6.6 seconds with the 5, 6LV8 engine. Traditional power, ideal for families and adventure seekers with its powerful V8 engine and spacious interior. Off-road capabilities, notable for its excellent off-road capabilities, these data should be used as a general guide. The performance of the vehicles can vary depending on the level of equipment, engine option, and many other factors. Also, these values can change with new model years and updates. And there you have it, a comprehensive review of the most popular SUV and pickup models on the market. Each stands out with its unique features and the different experiences they offer. Which one would you choose? We're looking forward to your comments. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.